The weather in Bangalore is all kinds of cozy today and I'm vibing with it. But let's be real, cozy weather equals maximum laziness. So I kicked off my day with the ultimate lazy combo, toast and tea. Because anything more ambitious would just be disrespecting this weather. I started watching Shogun series because my husband wouldn't stop raving about it. But within minutes, I realized I'm just not built for shows in another language. The constant video subtitle shuffle, it's exhausting. I can handle that for a movie, but a whole series? Nope, not happening. I'm wearing this super comfy kaftan I made out of a cotton fabric with the cutest bandhni prints. I'll drop a link to the tutorial in the description box below because everyone deserves to feel this cozy. I have had this 1 meter of blue linen fabric stashed away for ages with no clue why. So today I'm making a casual top out of it. And since the weather is giving me artsy vibes, we are going all out and painting on it. I grabbed my trusty basic block, gave the sides a little breathing room and extended the length. Using the same pattern, I cut out both front and the back. Once you're done cutting, on the front you need to make slight adjustments. Deepen the neck and the armhole a bit. First up, place the front and the back pieces together with right sides facing each other and then sew the shoulder seams. Next, let's tackle the neckline. Cut out a bias tape, except I ran out of the fabric, so I'm using the black one that I already have. Fold it in half and stitch it around the neckline. Now flip that bias tape toward the wrong side and either give it a quick machine stitch or go old school with some hand hemming. I did hand hemming and look at the finish. It's so good. Since we are keeping it simple with this top, I decided to jazz up the armhole a bit. I dug into the remaining fabric, cut out some strips and stitched them together to make a long strap. Now I'm going to create some cute little pleats.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is grey, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be.
Now measure about 3 inches from the armhole and mark it on both the sides. Pin them down and sew them in place. Next, it's time to bring that bias tape back into the spotlight and finish off the armhole. Just repeat the same steps as you did for the neckline. Fold it over, stitch it down and make it look all polished. Check out this couture level finishing. And now for the final act, stitch up the sides and double fold the edges and stitch it. And tada! Your top is ready. That was a speedy little project, right? But before I dive into painting, I need to fuel up with my favorite comfort food. I found yet another Insta Reel recipe that actually turned out great. As a South Indian, curd rice has always been my jam. But this twist adds some zing with a dash of techa from Maharashtra.
I got used to avoiding the pain. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be
Just as I finished lunch, the doorbell rang and I was greeted by some packages. I ordered some basic shoes a while ago, so now it's time to see if they are good enough to keep or if they are destined for the return. I'm going to place a paper underneath so that it doesn't get transferred onto the other side and start painting these easy peasy flowers. If you think you are hopeless with painting, this is the perfect project for you. It's so simple that if I can pull it off, you absolutely can too. So grab your brushes and let's unleash our inner Picassos. The lovely weather had me craving masala puri, so I thought I would mix things up and order from a new place. Big mistake. I ended up with a plate of disappointment instead of deliciousness. Lesson learned: when those cravings strike, stick to your go to spot because sometimes trying something new doesn't work all the time.